people who work on 914s, there are 3 words that strike fear deep into our hearts. Fresh air box. This thing is evil, and putting it back in the car is not an experience anybody looks forward to. Fortunately, a bunch of people have come up with some tips and tricks, and I've got a few of my own. And recently I was out in LA helping one of the 914 World members put the box in his car, so I figured I'd video that and show you some of the tricks, and hopefully it helps you. If you're gonna do this job, do it right. Get the kit from 914 Rubber with the ring and all of the seals that are needed to completely refurbish the box, and make sure you don't have to touch it for another 40 years. Make sure the surfaces are clean and put the sticky side down, and then find the holes for the bolts. And you're gonna wanna enlarge these holes because you don't want the bolt to bind at all as it goes into the box. Probably a good idea to get longer bolts too. I mean, we needed them because the new foam is definitely thicker than the OEM foam that's 40 years old. A lot easier to get the fan assembly on. Then you'll take the cowl grill and put that into the rubber frame, and then just drop that whole thing right onto the fresh air box. Hopefully straight down, it's the easiest way. Rubber bands. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Probably it's not big enough. Secret weapon, soap, lube, something, no tissues. Reading material of your choice. Lube it up. Rubber bands hold it in place. Now we're going in.
Yes.
Okay, I think I figured it out. Okay. You just see, put it push down.
All right. Okay. Hold on.
Where are the nuts? It's a really tight
So that's
fit,
good.
Ian.
It's a tight fit.
What she said.
Now when we get this all bolted up, we're gonna cut the rubber bands and pull them out. Here's the other secret weapon, a clamp. We're gonna leave the tag on it so maybe it can be returned after we're done. Really pretty paint on this car, so we're gonna protect it here. And now we're gonna just lift up the box. We don't need a lot of torque. You bring it up a little. Okay, you see, so let's go up just a tiny bit more.
Oh, I see.
And you can see the screw holes in there. Stop. Okay, stop.
Oh, it's not going
Let's
down.
go in here.
So it's fine. Yeah. It's
All
fine.
right.
It's just, I don't want to overturn. No, don't.
We got one screw in.
That's the last that I want to pull out. Yeah.
And once that's in nice and snug, take the clamp off. So it's this hole on this side. So it's got to go back a little bit. So push a little back and up, whoop, and a little up. And you'll probably find that the left side needs a lot more finagling. Moving the clamp around, having a couple extra hands helps. We didn't cut anything out here. We just fast forwarded. Just needs to, can you push back on it just a touch? Up, up. In, up. Just, come on, baby.
Do you have that?
It's in, it's in.
Holy. There it is,
The
ladies
answer
and
is,
gentlemen.
it's a 3-man job.
And one to hold the camera.
I did do it myself once, but I think I got lucky. Final step is pull the rubber band out.
Ow!
Okay, and then we just have the last one to get underneath there. You can tell it's not the sharpest X-Acto blade in the world.
Nor are we the sharpest.
Okay, so now the airbox is in the car, and the next major hurdle is to attach the cables. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I try to get back to everybody. Be safe and enjoy.